The worst snowstorm of the season. As you can see, guys, this is the worst snowstorm we had yet. So yeah, lots of snow.